Hey guys, so today we're doing a pretty fun experiment with our E2 aircraft. We're gonna try to fly out to that oil rig out there. So what's really awesome about our ground station, guys, is that you can attach almost any third-party antennas to extend the range of your Evolve 2. That's gonna be really useful today because we're gonna be going all the way out to that oil rig, which is about 2 miles or so. We know the drone can go a lot further than that, but it's still a great test because we have a 15-mile-per-hour headwind. So it's gonna be really awesome to see how the battery holds up and see if we can get it back in one piece. Switching to external antennas is super easy with our ground station. You just go into your settings, click on the ground station settings, and down here at antenna, we have the two options of internal or external. And when you go to external, we simply have a warning. And right there, you're good to go. You got a lot more range with your drone. All right guys, that went so well that I think we're gonna go for that next furthest one. We don't actually know how much further it is, but we got to this first one, no problem. So we're gonna send it all the way out there. Check this out, guys. We're all the way at 11,000 feet. You can see how windy it is by this windsock out on the rig. That was a headwind our entire time to get out here, and we still have 63% battery life. All right, guys, as you just saw, we just had a great flight out to an oil rig. It really shows you the benefits of having external antennas on your drone setup. I hope you guys liked the video today, and we'll see you in the next one.